Hello everyone, I'm Andy Lowe and I'm the Chief Exec of Flexitricity. I'm pleased to welcome you to one of our gas peaker sites, Sandwell Power here in Birmingham, where we'll be looking at the critical role that gas peaking plants play in supporting our electricity grid. Facilities like this one are essential for delivering rapid on-demand power when the grid is under pressure, particularly during peak times or when renewable sources aren't generating as needed. At Flexitricity, we specialise in optimising assets like this one to maximise returns for our customers whilst helping to balance Great Britain's electricity system. We manage over 1 gigawatt of flexible energy assets through our automated advanced platform, which harnesses AI, predictive machine learning and real-time market data. This technology enables us to dynamically optimise these assets across multiple markets, from long-term planning and day-ahead scheduling to intraday adjustments and, at times, right down to the final seconds before power delivery. Maintaining high operational standards is crucial for these assets, and that's why we not only optimise them in the energy markets, but we also provide full operations and maintenance through our FlexO&M service. We provide O&M services to dozens of generators across the country, ensuring the assets are kept in peak condition and ready to deliver power precisely when it's needed. By integrating optimisation and O&M, coordinated through our 24/7 control centre in Edinburgh, we can ensure the assets we manage are maintained to the highest standards and are available to capture every opportunity, whilst playing a key role in the net zero transition.
FlexO&M provides operations and maintenance services here at Sandwell Power, with our team typically on site daily to carry out regular checks and inspections, ensure safety and complete essential maintenance. Every task is meticulously planned and documented within our computerised maintenance management system, ensuring a structured approach to asset care, with our planned preventative maintenance schedule constantly reviewed and updated where necessary, helping us to maintain peak optimum performance. Sandwell Power is just one of approximately 45 sites FlexO&M maintains across the UK. With over a decade of experience in asset operations and maintenance, we've built up a robust network of over 50 skilled engineers and technicians, strategically located around the country near to the assets that we maintain. This enables us to provide an efficient O&M service, including out-of-hours support, ensuring our customers' assets maintain in peak condition and available to capture market opportunities. If an unexpected issue arises at any of our assets, day or night, our team is ready to investigate and take appropriate action to return the site to full capacity at the earliest opportunity. Remote asset visibility and remote asset control, coupled with spare site stock holdings, allows us to take prompt action and often resolve issues without delay. FlexO&M's capabilities extend beyond management of gas engines. Our team includes specialists in high voltage electrical systems, controls and instrumentation, project management, technical support, all coupled with our corporate support teams including finance and commercial. We also have a dedicated workshop in Warrington where we complete full engine rebuilds and refurbishment of other key components. Health, safety, quality and environmental responsibilities are at the core of Flexitricity's operations. We hold ISO accreditations across the key standards, including ISO 45001 for health and safety, ISO 9001 for quality management, and ISO 14001 for environmental management. Our commitment to HSQE is deeply ingrained in all aspects of our work, from daily operations to asset management, fostering a safe, efficient, and environmentally responsible working environment. With the optimisation team trading assets and this being overseen around the clock from our Edinburgh control room, we've built a highly effective collaboration across the business. The control room operators continually monitor all assets' condition and remotely access the site to troubleshoot and resolve issues where possible. The remote capability is especially valuable for out-of-hours issues, as it means we respond swiftly and only send engineers to site where such remote intervention has proven unsuccessful. This approach has significantly reduced our call-outs and enables us to provide a cost-effective solution for our customers.